Good morning YouTube, it's another Kia Sorento exhaust video. I had somebody viewed the video yesterday and requested that they hear it static and out of the car obviously, and a couple of flybys and stuff. So we'll come to somewhere where I like to go. Yeah, let's give it a little bit of noise. That's the 2.5 litre CRDI engine with no cat, no middle box, and just the silencer on. I'm going to head somewhere else now where I can do a few runs up and down the road, and I'm going to get the wife to do a little bit of recording for me. So we'll bring you back when we get there. Okay, so on my little road down, little back road out of the way, I'm going to do a couple of runs up and down here. It is raining though, so I'm probably going to end up with water drops on the camera, so I'm not sure how well this is going to turn out in the end, but yeah, so I'm going to leave you with my beautiful assistant and she can sort out the filming. Okay, so there you go. Hopefully that's good enough for you all to hear the sound of the truck, all straight piped and that. Hope you like the video on that. Please consider subscribing. I do all sorts of bollocks. If you just have a quick look through the channel and that, you'll see. I'm planning to get a few more uploads done like over the winter. Now the weather's not too hot and it's not fucking me over so bad with my blood pressure. Just give you another blast of that exhaust. Yeah, so there you go, 2.5 CRDI Sorento straight piped. Till next time, cheers.